Hey there, what's going on? I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Curvature Pen Tool. I'm gonna teach you everything about the Curvature Pen Tool. Just a little information that curvature means a sense of a curve. So it is clearly in the name of that tool that by using this tool we can easily create the curves. If you are a fresher, then definitely you like this tool, because with a simple pen tool it's difficult for you to design or to draw our curves. But by using this tool we just need to draw points, we just need to mention the points and it will create curves for you. So this is the Curvature Pen Tool. Let's learn everything about the Curvature Pen Tool in this video, so enjoy the video.
Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics.
Well, to use the Curvature Pen Tool, just right click on the pen tool, then there you will find that third tool is a Curvature Pen Tool, and now our Curvature Pen Tool is selected. Now let's understand one by one point how it works, how it creates curves. Whenever you are clicking somewhere, then it will create curves. It will not create straight lines or a particular triangle. As you can check on my screen, I created a 3 points and it convert automatically these points into curve. Here is our first point, here is our second point, because there is a no third point, so that's why it is a straight line. Once you click on a third point, then it will automatically convert this line into a curve. That's it. So this is how it works. Wherever you are clicking, it will create that particular angle into a curve. It will convert that angle into a curve. Let's check. Let's click here and it will again create a curve. So this is really easy and convenient tool if you are working on curves. If you are creating curves by using the pen tool, then you don't need to use your direct or a simple pen tool. If you want to create the curves, then you can simply use Curvature Pen Tool. And if you want to add more points in it, then you can also do that. By default, there you will find the plus sign. Once you hover the mouse on that particular area, on that particular line where you would like to add the points, then it will show you a plus sign with the pen tool. Then clicking on that, it will create another point in that particular area. And if you would like to move that point, then you can also hold on your mouse left button and you can move your mouse. Then you can move your that particular angle or point wherever you would like. And by default, or defined point can also be moved from one location to another. Sometimes we need to use straight angles or like triangles, then you may find it difficult to draw it with the curvature tool. But for that there is a shortcut. You can press Alt or Option key if you are a Mac user. If you are a Windows user, then you can press the Alt button, then click on that particular point. On this point I don't want any kind of curve, so I'll simply press Alt or Option, then click on that point and it will remove that curve area. Click on every point, check it. So this is how you can manage all the things with the curvature tool. You can create curves easily and you can create lines, triangles or any kind of angle using the Curvature Pen Tool easily. If you are using simple pen tool, then you have to hold the mouse button and move your mouse button from one location to another. Or if you are using the curve tool, then you don't need to worry about those things, because it will automatically create a curves for you. And if you would like to remove that particular curve, then you can simply press Alt or Option button. Now let's do practical by using the Curvature Pen Tool. So by using the Curvature Pen Tool, we are going to remove the background of this one. I'm gonna simply make these lines on that. I'm gonna save a lot of time because I'm not going to make angles by using the simple pen tool. Rather than using the pen tool, I'll simply use the curvature tool so that I can create curves easily. If there is any kind of requirement of using the simple pen tool, then definitely I'll do that too. But for now, curvature tool is fine for me, because if I need to remove that particular angle, then I can press Alt or Option button to remove that particular curve.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space.
And there is our last point. Now our object is selected by using the pen tool, curvature pen tool. There you can see number of points which I made on this. Now there you'll find the difficulty because of hairs. If I simply make the selection of that one, simply make the mask of that one, then it would really looking annoying because of the hairs. So that's why I'm gonna first make it selection, then I'll simply right click on the area and make a selection. After making a selection of this one, I would prefer to use select and mask. By using that tool, I can preserve the hairs. So for that, first I need to convert this particular selection so that I can select the particular object. I can work on the object. So for converting this selection, I'll simply press Command or Control Shift plus I, and it convert that selection into our object. Then I'll simply click on the select and mask, and that's it. Now we need to work on hairs so that we can preserve the hairs.
It's coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's...
That's it. You may find the reddish color on the hairs, but this will also be removed. But first, detect all the hairs. And there it is. With just one click, we convert all dots or all the hair colors into that particular matching hairs. So for that, I'll simply click on a decontaminate colors, and it will decontaminate all the colors, and you can look, the hairs are preserved too.
Drugs, cocaine.
So this is how you can use curvature pen tool to cut the background more easily and more fastly as compared to the other tools. So this is about the curvature pen tool. I hope you learn a lot of things. You learn how to create the curves, you learn how to cut the background, use the curvature pen tool, and it is really easy as compared to the simple pen tool. I hope you design, you draw, you cut the background by using this curvature pen tool, and show me your work on my Instagram, on my Facebook, or any social media handle named as a PIXIPACE. And don't forget to share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's